Hello, I am the Wesley Meister, and welcome to the first episode of What Will Happen If... That's it. It's not that good of a title, but it's a start. Anyway, for today's test, I will be asking the question, what will happen if you put yogurt in a microwave? Put the yogurt in a glass bowl so that it will not char the plastic. Because, as you know, plastic does not go well with the microwave. So now it is in there, and I'm putting it in for 2 minutes. Let's see what happens. So, as it turns out, putting yogurt in a microwave is very dangerous because my hand is very deformed. I'm just kidding. So, what happens when you put yogurt in a microwave? Well, I'll show you. It in fact turns into a pile of goop. Hope you enjoyed it.